Let's talk about adjusting the theme and the impact on the master slide. You've probably noticed this sidebar when you open up any brand new Google slide. And you know that if you've not started creating anything on your slide, it's super easy to change the theme. And you can see at a quick glance what each theme looks like as far as the title slide goes. If you're interested in digging a little deeper as to what this theme looks like, be sure to click on the shark tooth next to the plus sign, and you can see all of the master slides that come with this particular theme. You'll start to notice various changes when you select a new theme and you click on that shark tooth. Some themes have massive impact, and some themes have very little impact. And this is great to explore when you're at the beginning of creating your slide. But what happens if you already have a slide deck and you decide at some point you want to change the theme? Do you know what happens? Let's dig a little deeper. I have a very simple slideshow right here. And basically what I've done is I've added in each of these 11 master slides. What happens if I have them already built out and now I decide to change my theme? Let's see. In order to even do this, come up to Slide, change Theme, and that same sidebar appears. Notice at the very bottom, if you have found a theme from another source online, you can always import it. For today's purpose, I'm just going to use the ones that are pre-built into Google Slides. Watch very carefully at the little thumbnails over here to the left when I select going from simple light to simple dark. Notice I have some additional text boxes, I have inserted some pictures, and even on slide 7, I've changed the entire background color. Let's see what happens. Do you notice a difference? Do you notice how when I went from simple light to simple dark, some of my images that I've inserted now show the outline of them, while some don't, because this is a transparent image. And look what happened to slide 7. The theme actually does not take over the background color that I've changed it to. But did you notice it did change the color of my text? That's right, each theme comes with pre-built theme colors, and when you change them, it'll also change the text. But on slide 3, I inserted a text box after I created my slide. Notice it did not do anything to this text. I'd have to come back and adjust this if I choose to stay with simple dark. Let's see what happens when I choose a different theme. Again, notice the changes. This time it did change the font on some of the slides. However, it does not change the font on the text box that I included. And again, look at the difference with some of these images. Notice now on slide 7, the background color exists, but it has also overlaid some of these other additional items that come with this particular slide. It's a good thing to play around with, but just be careful and pay attention to the changes that a theme change would have on your slide deck. I hope this is a tech you can do tip that you can use.